A group project at Needham High School inspired change within the school, which then inspired another student to advocate for further improvements across town. Ashley Morin explains how residents have the power to transform their communities with a simple idea, such as having access to feminine products.
Earlier this past winter, I got contacted by a student group at Needham High School who were doing their senior capstone-like project, and they were really driving to install feminine product dispensers in both Needham High School and Pollard Middle School. After talking to the superintendent as well as the principal of the school, we decided on the Ant Flow feminine product dispensers, which include both tampons and pads, which are specifically developed for women of middle and high school ages.
When Mirabelle Federer was in 8th grade, she heard about the high school students advocating for dispensers in schools. She wanted to make expanding the program part of her community service learning project.
I was wondering, what scale can I take this to? So I thought, what if I took it to the town and got it in public buildings?
Some of the locations where we have them include the library, town hall, Center at the Heights, the Public Service Administration Building, Public Safety, Memorial Park, the Rosemary Recreation Complex, and the Hillside School, which is going to be transitioning into an administrative space for the public schools. We are also installing 2 more at the library because we learned that there was additional need there. And then there is a possibility to install some at High Rock School, which is our 6th grade school.
It makes me happy that I know that this is going to help people, and people who need them can now have access to them, and I think that is a great thing.
Besides the 43 dispensers already installed, 16 of them located at Pollard and Needham High School, there are plans to add more around town.
It's not a significantly substantial cost for the town, and it's something that I think that taxpayers and community members deserve to have access to in their buildings.
The cost of supplying and refilling the dispensers can be covered by the current Building Maintenance Division's budget for the foreseeable future, but the schools can help with funding if the need arises.
It's important to me because period poverty is a big problem, and I just think that it's ridiculous how expensive they are, and that in some states they're even taxed as luxury goods like watches. And I hope this becomes more widely known that there is an issue of period poverty.
It's really nice to see the fire and energy behind these young people advocating for something that can be so impactful for the community, but just also individuals day to day. So I certainly encourage community members to speak out if they feel like there's a need within their community, so that we can see what kind of things are feasible and what resources we can provide on our end to better the community. And I think this is certainly an example of how that can be done.
For the Needham Channel News, I'm Ashley Morin.